The main event is here. Hi everyone. So we've just come back to the hotel about an hour ago. We stopped in Walgreens and we got some water and cereal bars because we bought water from the hotel this morning and it was $20 for like 2 small bottles and 2 cereal bars. Yeah. So we spent $20 in Walgreens and we got a massive pack of gummy bears. Show me gummy bears.
Alright, sorry, I'm just
okay.
Getting changed.
And how many waters?
A lot.
Like 12 I think.
Yeah, so those.
Gummy bears! What's your favourite colour gummy bear? Mine's red. Orange! Oh yeah, we got 2. Did we get 2 of these?
No, just
one.
Just one. I can carry it all.
Oh, 6 waters.
Yeah, no.
Fibre 1. I need to send these to my friend at work because I told her that she needs to get these because you can have these on Slimming World and I love them, so I thought of her. Oh yeah, we got this massive water as well.
Yeah, so that came to 20.
All of this.
Instead of just 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 of these. Absolute rip-off, but yeah. Went to Bath and Body Works as well. Mainly just got hand sanitizers and then I got a bunch of stuff for my friend, but I forgot to get her a pocket bag holder. But yeah, we came back. Oh my god, the bags were so heavy and we literally had to walk from like Aria to MGM with all the bags, and then we got the bus 2 stops because there wasn't a bus like right outside where we were and we had to walk to it and it was so long. But yeah, we just came in and it was really hot because basically we went out at like 6 o'clock in the morning and it was really cold, so we had our coats and our cardigans. But then obviously where we've been out in the day it's got really warm, so it was so hot, but I just crashed on the bed and fell asleep. But what's the time now? It's 1 PM now, so we're gonna go out again, get the bus to the North Outlets, have some Cheesecake Factory. And tonight we've got Cirque du Soleil at 9:30, but really we want to get there. We want to leave here at 8:30 because it's such a long walk to get anywhere around here. Like, it is true what they say, it might look close, but damn, that is far. It's like we were just going to walk back in the end, but then luckily we got the bus, because even on the bus we were like, woo, that would have been a long walk. But yeah. We are going to go catch the bus.
Let's go do it. I
think it takes about 45 minutes from Luxor to the North Outlets because it's literally one end of the line to the other. So yeah, we're going to get going, but we'll see you at the outlets. Bye! Hey guys, bye bus. So we just got the single decker bus to the... It took about an hour from the Luxor hotel. It didn't feel like an hour though, it went fairly quick. It felt more like half an hour. Oh, it was very quiet here. Yeah, I don't really know where we're going.
So this is where you get off, and then over there the other side is where I get on to go back southbound it would be, yeah. Oh. But yeah, we're here.
Cheesecake Factory is calling my name.
Is it here?
We found the Disney store, yay!
Literally, you get off the bus and it's straight here.
Oh, that was a slippery tile.
Oh.
Floor.
It's just like a character warehouse or just like general Disney?
No, I think it's just Disney.
Oh, so it's like full price.
I'm not sure. It's still oh, it's an outlet.
It's an outlet. Okay.
Excited.
It's like being in Orlando again.
Need it.
How much some? I don't know.
Okay. Christopher would love that. Not bad.
What is it? Huh? Oh, yeah, that's alright.
Oh, look at the bees. They're so cute. Oh my god. That's so nice. That's real glass.
How much is it?
How much? $16.95. So nice. They've got
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse spirit jersey.
Spirit jersey.
I don't know how much, it doesn't say.
Oh.
No price on it. How cute. I love that. No price. Does anything have a... Oh wait, it's here. $34.99.
That's good. For a spirit jersey.
Yeah, they're normally
Like 67?
52.
No.
But in the parks they're normally 65.
Yeah.
I don't wear white, but that is nice. It's cute.
Minnie Mouse.
$12.99.
They smell good.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Might get that.
Yeah, what?
Check the size. Yeah.
Cool.
This is so cute as well. $19.99. Look at this. You may make for me. This is so sweet. They're $16.95. Oh my god, look, Gus is me. Every day of my life. That is me. How cute does Snow White look there? Oh my god, why have I seen this? Oh, that is ston. $14.95.
And then just so you know, all the mugs here are all 25% off. 25%.
Oh, thank
Why
you.
you do this to me?
Good if you want it.
I think I have to.
Yeah, go on.
I don't need a mug. There's no room in the mug.
There isn't.
But it's
Some nice ones here.
Box office. So right now, if we do need a second cashier, nobody's been on 4.
What's half of that?
We got
$12.95.
6.55, 45 even. I don't know.
I don't know how their sizes work.
Yeah.
Boy, like children. Please, me buy. Me buy. She's so cute. Look how cute she is.
Adult tea's $10. It's good. Let me hold something. Come here. Yeah, come here.
That is so cute.
I ruined the way they folded it.
Yeah.
1995. Oh, look at that. So, do you know who that is?
No.
What about that? Do you know?
Alice?
No. Aurora.
I'm not good at this.
Who's that?
They literally just told you over there.
Snow White.
Yes.
Okay. No.
Esta es la pijama de ella, entonces
Aquí está la muñeca.
es que tengo que buscar la muñeca, no la pijama.
Don't know what it is, but I need it. I need it, mate. These ones are $9.95.
It's quite long.
Oh, look, they got Pascal.
Oh. Oh.
Ola! I love you, Ola. There they are.
Well, that's quite good for that size, babe. 16.
Yeah. Oh, that's $12.99. How cute is that though?
Okay, if you want it.
I'd rather get that Christmas decoration.
Yeah.
It's only $6.99. Definitely getting that. Blue's Moana, yes.
Do you want glass?
No, it's alright.
No.
$12.99. Over my budget. Who are you? Baby Moana.
Oh.
Minnie Mouse pillow. How much? 20. Well, $19.95. It's not too bad, really.
Got some lanyards
Look,
in fine
these are
cases.
in the Disney parks.
Yeah.
$8.99.
So some of the stuff is in the parks, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that teapot's as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I think we'll see it. These are the interchangeable.
Oh yeah.
that
How
you
much are they?
can-
Four, that's well good.
That is so good.
Mate, you should get that.
Serpents, spiders, tail of a rat, calling the spirits, whatever they're at.
Shame that it hurt your head, didn't they?
Yeah, unfortunately. I mean, I could probably make my own and stick that on it.
It's good though for a fiver.
Oh god, yeah.
You should make your own then. Babe, you should make your own. That'll look good for Halloween.
Yeah, I don't know how I'd pin it on though.
It's got a...
Yeah. I don't know though.
Mate, that's good fiver for that. They used to be like 20 odd in the park, didn't they? Not want it?
Sorry.
Okay.
I don't want to just get things for the sake of it.
Okay. Mm.
I think that would do us.
So what we got then? We got a top,
What?
mug,
I think with my tiara on. And this.
and a Christmas set.
$6.99.
Yeah.
Would have been like 20.
Cool.
Oh no, yeah, the original $16.95.
Nice. Okay. Let's pay. Okay, so we got this bag as well. Very nice.
Yeah, it was $15 with any purchase. It's a little bit bigger than our one at the moment, so we just thought we'd get it for when we go into the parks. But yeah. Do you mind, mate?
So yeah, let's look around the North outlets then. Yeah?
Yeah, and look out for it. Be sure.
Yeah.
So we're in Michael Kors. I just bought a handbag. Hey guys, so we just got done at Michael Kors. It was 60% off plus 20%, but the lady only did 50% plus 20%. So we literally just went back and we got $30 back. I was like, girl, that's too much.
Yeah, $30 is a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
10%.
That'll pay for our meal now.
Yeah.
So we're just going Cheesecake Factory now. So excited.
For the cheesecake.
Temperature's dropping off again now. Feels about 15, 16. And I'm wearing shorts and t-shirt. Yeah. The Cheesecake Factory.
The lobster.
The lobster.
The lobster cheesecake.
Alright, where do we go in?
It's open till 11 p.m.
Wow.
and 12 on a Friday and Saturday.